This is Matt Hug with Nonprofit.Courses. And if you have any kind of nonprofit board responsibility, whether that's an executive director, a board chair, a committee member, maybe you're in charge of a fundraising campaign, this video is for you. All right, what's going on? Number one, Nonprofit.Courses is a great resource for you to get your board members up to speed on whatever tasks are important for your mission to succeed. That could be orienting new board members. That could be bringing them up to speed on some aspect of a future program. It could be anything that has to do with their responsibility as either a board member or a major volunteer for your organization. Now, why is that? Because we've all been there. I know I have, that you lay a lump of paper on somebody and say, read this before the board meeting. Yeah, it probably isn't going to happen. I'd say, a quarter maybe of the people look at it before they get there. But if you give them a video, something that they can click on their computer or on their tablet or their phone, and they can look at it before the board meeting, even on the way to the board meeting, right? Let's hope that they're getting somebody to drive them there. I think that's going to get that information in their head much more effectively, because let's face it, they'll do it. The chances of them of doing it is much higher. But more than that, this gets everybody on the same page so that when you have your meeting, after everybody's seen the videos that you select as the leader in that committee or on the board for them to see, everybody is getting ramped up on that topic. And you know what? In Nonprofit.Courses, more than half the videos are free. And we're not talking about the bad ones. We're talking about some really great free content. And the stuff you're paying for is a tremendous value. So go to Nonprofit.Courses, check it out, find the videos that are going to help you move your board forward. And that'll make it for you a great nonprofit day.